region, like in Gujarat, how much amount of coal, how much amount of petroleum, how much amount of water is there as a resource, right? So as in that inventory yani puri detail knowledge there should be there with the government and the people of the country, okay, what type of resources we are having in large amount, what type of resources we are having in a less amount. Like when we go to the Arab countries, water is very precious over there. Why? Because water is available very less over there, and oil is not as precious because oil is available abundant over there, right? So vice versa in India there is a complete different situation. So that is the reason it is very much important that we should know how much amount of resources are where, what type of quality, what type of quantity is available in a region, state or country or internationally. Then the second point is the resources which are limited or non-renewable, they should be exploited scientifically and should be used only where it is necessary to use them. मीन्स कि कोई ऐसा रिसोर्स है कि जो एक बार खत्म होके वापस बनने ही नहीं वाला है, right? So that resource should be used scientifically. Scientifically means a proper technology should be used and more use of that resources should be taken out. यानी अगर आपके पास ऑयल है तो इस ऑयल को हम साइंटिफिकली बहुत ज़्यादा तरह से कैसे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो दैट वी शुड नो. So that is what the another point says, right? The third point is attempt should be made to develop those resources the quantity of which can be increased. Means the, like for example right now government always pressurize for the solar resources, wind, hydroelectricity. Why? Which are available in more amount. So we should use solar panels, solar cookers, solar heaters. So that is the reason why we have to think about the resources which are in a large amount in our on the earth. Then the third is attempt should be made to develop the resources the quantity of which can be increased. Means कि what type of resources are there, their quantity can be increased. The resources which are cheaper and are easily available should not be wasted, but instead they should be used sparingly for future use. Means what type of resources, like for example we talk about oxygen or the water is there, which are very cheaper or you can say which are easily available, so that should not be used without thinking. It should be used sparingly, यानी कम से कम उसको जितना ज़रूरत है उतना ही यूज़ करना चाहिए, and we have to keep that for the future use, means for the future generation or for the future purposes. The third is those resources which are in limited quantity should be conserved. Finding it alternative option through technical development is favorable in long term. Means which are that what we had already discussed, that same point has came. Limited quantity यानी बहुत ही limited है, means very rare you will found, so should be conserved यानी उसको बचा के रखना चाहिए, and it should be used on a alternate use only when there is a very much requirement of that resource to be used, then only it should be used. So technical development is favorable in long term. So most probably scientific and technology should be used. Necessary laws should be formed for the conservation of resources and should be enforced strictly. Means a government should make such laws, okay, what type of resources should be used, where it is should be used, right, and how you can conserve that resources, so that the government should be very strict about it. And the last point is citizens should be well acquainted with all facts associated with the rational usage of resources, and a public awareness should be cultivated. Now we always talk about global warming, right? Water is very less, fresh water is very less, so government, the other international organization always work on it So people should be aware about that कि how much amount should be used, when it should be used, where it should be used. So all these things should be taken care, and government should always work on that, that public people should be aware, right? They should be read a lot, like we are teaching you, right? So you people will understand. There were many advertisement comes on TV, radio. So the rational usage should be kept.